In this section, we will talk about the CCNP Enterprise exam questions and question types. So, in the CCNP Enterprise exam, you can face with 6 types of questions, guys, and they are multiple choice single answer. That means there is a single correct answer for the question. And multiple choice, multiple answer, that means there's a question and there are more than one correct answers. And drag and drop, fill in the blank and test it, simulation also, and the simlet. So if you want to experience these questions before joining the exam, you can simply go to Cisco's webpage and have a look. And let's do it now. Okay, so we can simply type CCNP NRC, I think. Okay, once we type the CCNP NRC, we have the official web page of Cisco in here, which is the exam's official web page. Once you click on this one, here is the web page that you can find some general information about Cisco's Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services exam. So once you scroll down, you can find the exam topics in here and you can have a look if you wish. So let's click on this one first. So here are the topics. And layer 3 technologies, VPN, infrastructure security, and infrastructure services. Okay, let's go back. And we can also check the exam policies. And you can have a look before joining the exam. That might be really helpful. And here is the link that we really want to focus on for this training session. And this is sample exam questions. Okay, once you click on this one, here is the Cisco certification exam tutorial videos that you can find. So there are in here 1, 2, 3, 4 separate videos for each question type that I talked about to you. And they are multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answer, and drag and drop. These are covered on first video. The second video is focusing on fill in the blank and testlet. The third is for simulation, and the fourth is for simlet. So let's have a look to the first one. This is for multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answer, and drag and drop. Let me make it bigger. Okay. So, yeah. Here is a question for multiple choice and single answer. So, here is the exam infrastructure. That is the screen that you will face in the real exam also. So, this is a question type and asking how many meters are in a kilometer. So this question has just one single correct answer, right? Okay. And this is an example for multiple choice and multiple answer. So which items are the names of specific computer operating systems? So and choose 3. So you choose the correct 3 answers in here. Let's move forward. Okay, and this is a drag and drop example. So for drag and drop, you just drag from here, from the left of the screen, and just drop to the right side. So question is asking what are the layer 3 routed protocols. You will just drag and drop to this field. And what are the layer 3 routing protocols, and you will just drag the correct answers and drop to here simply. Okay, like this one. This is for the first video. Let's check the fill in the blank and testlet also. And here you have some options to fill the blanks. And question is, what are respective Celsius values for 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit? And you just type the correct answers to here. And this is a testlet. So in here, there are 4 different steps, and you can see there is a scenario given. And you just read this scenario, and based on the scenario, you just choose the correct answers. Okay, let's have a look to the third part. This is for the simulation. Okay, let's move some forward. And here is the simulation question. So in here, Cisco is giving you a topology, and you need to go to the various devices and you need to implement the steps that are asked in the question itself. So for example, it's asking that change the host name of lab A to router A. So yeah, that is not a CCNP level question as I know, and but just that would be good to show you, because anymore you don't have to take the CCNA exam and the certification to join the CCNP enterprise exams now. So what happens is in here, change the hostname lab A to router A. So I wonder if it's gonna connect to device. Yep, it's connecting. Okay, there's a terminal computer directly connected to router A. And once you click on that computer, you can have a CLI on you, and you can make the related configuration change. And lab A now, yeah, okay, it's not showing how to change that, but the idea is in here surely just showing you how the infrastructure, exam infrastructure is. And the last one is the simlet. And in here also there are some different questions on here. You can see 1, 2, 3 questions, and giving you a topology and asking you some questions about regarding to this one. Yeah, okay, we are in the end of this session, and once you finish this session, Udemy will be asking you a review about the training. I know, yeah, that is a little bit early, but this is how things are going on in Udemy. And if you just enjoyed the training until now, that would be perfect if you can rate the training with 5 stars for us.